Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want more control over your time and income? The answer is simple: side hustles. They're not just about extra cash, they're about freedom. Freedom to pursue your passions, freedom to build a safety net, freedom to design your ideal life. The internet has revolutionized the side hustle game. No longer limited to weekend gigs, you can now tap into a global marketplace of opportunities, all from your laptop. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or simply have some spare time and a willingness to learn, there's a side hustle out there for you. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about taking control of your future. It's about building something for yourself, brick by digital brick. So, are you ready to join the side hustle revolution? Everyone's good at something. Maybe you're a wordsmith, crafting compelling copy that sells. Perhaps you're a design guru, transforming ideas into stunning visuals. Or maybe you're a coding ninja, building the websites and apps of tomorrow. Whatever your skill set, there's a demand for it in the freelance world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with skilled individuals like you. Set your rates, choose your projects, and work on your own terms. Freelancing is about more than just making money. It's about building a portfolio, gaining experience, and becoming your own boss. It's about the satisfaction of seeing your skills translate into tangible results. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner freelancer and start building your empire, 1 gig at a time. The internet is a vast marketplace teeming with potential customers. What are you passionate about? Knitting cozy scarves, crafting handmade jewelry, designing quirky t-shirts? Whatever it is, there's an audience for it online. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade provide the perfect platform to showcase your creations to the world. Build your brand, connect with customers, and turn your passion into profit. The beauty of the digital marketplace is its low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy storefront or a huge marketing budget. All you need is passion, creativity, and the drive to succeed. So, what are you waiting to unleash your inner entrepreneur and build your own online empire? Everyone has opinions. Why not get paid for them? Companies are constantly seeking consumer feedback to improve their products and services. Online surveys and reviews provide an easy and flexible way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer paid surveys on a wide range of topics. Share your thoughts, earn points, and redeem them for cash or gift cards. While it won't make you rich, online surveys and reviews offer a simple and accessible way to earn passive income. It's a great option for those looking to make some extra cash while commuting, waiting in line, or simply relaxing at home. So why not get paid for what you already do? Share your opinion? Section 5. The sharing economy, monetizing your assets. Do you have a spare bedroom gathering dust? A car sitting idle in the driveway? Why not put them to work and earn some extra cash? The sharing economy has revolutionized the way we think about assets, turning them from idle possessions into income-generating opportunities. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent out your spare room or entire home to travelers. Similarly, Turo and Getaround let you rent out your car to those in need of transportation. The sharing economy is all about maximizing the use of existing resources. It's a win-win situation. You earn extra income, while others benefit from affordable accommodation or transportation. So, why not join the sharing revolution and unlock the earning potential of your assets? Section 6. Content creation, finding your voice. Are you a natural storyteller? Do you find joy in weaving narratives that captivate your audience? Do you have a knack for explaining complex topics in a simple and engaging way? Can you break down intricate ideas so that anyone can understand them? If so, content creation might be the perfect side hustle for you. It's a field where your unique voice and perspective can truly shine. In today's digital age, there's a huge demand for high-quality content, from blog posts and articles to videos and podcasts. People are constantly seeking valuable information and entertainment online. Platforms like Medium and LinkedIn allow you to share your writing with a wider audience. These platforms can help you build a following and establish your authority in your chosen niche. If video is more your style, consider starting a YouTube channel or creating online courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. These platforms provide excellent opportunities to reach and engage with a global audience. Content creation is a great way to share your knowledge, express your creativity, and potentially earn a significant income. It's a fulfilling way to connect with others and make an impact. It takes time and effort to build an audience, but the rewards can be immense. Consistency and dedication are key to growing your presence and influence. So find your niche, hone your craft, and let your voice be heard in the digital world. Your unique perspective is valuable, and there's an audience out there waiting to hear from you. Section 7. Online tutoring. Knowledge is power. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, a grammar guru? Whatever your area of expertise, there are students out there who could benefit from your knowledge. Online tutoring has exploded in popularity, offering a flexible and rewarding way to earn extra income. Platforms like TutorMe, Chegg Tutors, and Schooly connect you with students of all ages and levels. Set your own hours, choose your subjects, and help students achieve their academic goals. Online tutoring is a rewarding way to make a difference in the lives of others while earning extra income. It's a great option for teachers, retired professionals, or anyone with a passion for sharing their knowledge. So, why not inspire the next generation and earn some extra cash along the way? Section 8. Virtual Assistant: The Power of Organization. Are you a master of organization? Do you find joy in creating order out of chaos? Do you thrive on managing schedules, coordinating appointments, and keeping things running smoothly? If so, you might have a hidden talent that can be turned into a profitable venture. If so, becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect side hustle for you. This role allows you to leverage your organizational skills in a flexible and rewarding way. Busy professionals and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with administrative tasks, freeing up their time to focus on their core business. They need someone reliable to handle the details. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a wide range of services, from email management and calendar scheduling to social media management and customer support. Your role can be as varied as your client's needs. Virtual Assistants offers a flexible and in-demand way to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere. It's a great option for those with strong organizational skills and a knack for multitasking. If you can juggle multiple tasks without breaking a sweat, this could be your calling. So why not put your skills to good use and become the virtual backbone of a successful business? Your organizational prowess can make a real difference. Section 9. Social Media Management. Riding the digital wave. In today's digital age, a strong social media presence is crucial for any business looking to succeed. Social media platforms have become the new marketplace where brands and consumers interact. But managing multiple social media accounts can be time-consuming and overwhelming. The constant need to stay updated with trends and respond to followers can be daunting. That's where social media managers come in. They are the unsung heroes who keep the digital presence of a brand alive and thriving. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating and scheduling engaging content, interacting with followers, and ensuring that the brand's voice is consistent across all platforms. Additionally, you'll be analyzing social media data to optimize performance. This involves understanding metrics and using them to improve future campaigns. It's a fast-paced and dynamic field that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of social media algorithms. Staying ahead of the curve is essential. Social media management is a great option for those who live and breathe social media. If you enjoy connecting with people and sharing stories, this role is for you. It's a rapidly growing field with plenty of opportunities for advancement. As businesses continue to recognize the power of social media, the demand for skilled managers will only increase. So, if you're a social media savvy individual looking to turn your passion into profit, this might be the perfect side hustle for you. Embrace the digital wave and ride it to success. Section 10. Taking the leap. Your side hustle awaits. The world of side hustles is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash, explore a new passion, or gain valuable experience, there's a side hustle out there waiting for you. The key is to identify your skills, interests, and available time, and then explore the options that best align with your goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find the perfect fit. Remember, starting a side hustle is a journey, not a race. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build something meaningful. But with the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your goals and create the life you've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Your side hustle awaits.